Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to find out the stock selection for tomorrow. What would be the best stocks for tomorrow's trading? That I'm going to find out using the charting scanner. Let me go to the video, and if you are new, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's look at the Bank Nifty, where it is forms a doji kind of candle. There are 3 consecutive bullish day, and last week 2 bearish day where it is forms a homing pigeon bullish kind of candle pattern, and after that there is a big gap down, and it cannot continues the trend on the opening side. That is a gap down opening. It cannot continue the trend on the downside. Instead of that, it is recovering, and the next day would be the big up candle forms a and fill up the gaps, and again it's a gap down opening, and it is a positive trade, and finally it should be a doji where we can find out it is happening at Bank Nifty. It's a mixed trend, so 2 days down, 2 days up, and again 2 days down and 2 days up. So there is a doji, there is a in confusion on the trend. So if you are focusing for a Bank Nifty, what kind of trade we can focus for? 39,193 should be the sell opportunity. So where we can focus it for a selling at this point around the 39,193 should be our selling opportunity at this area, and we can keep the stop loss of 39,595 should be the stop loss for the trade if you are taking a sell opportunity. And after 3 days continuous up, even it can continues the trend, so the reversal also possible. So where either we can go for a buy in Bank Nifty as well as sell in Bank Nifty. The buy entry is around 39,595 and the sell entry is 39,193. It's a forms a doji kind of candle in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow, so both the high and low of yesterday last trading session, if it is breaks, we can go for trade opportunities on Bank Nifty. That may give you some good opportunity to trade in Bank Nifty. And Nifty, it is very flat. Let's say it's not a good candle, nothing to find out, right, in Nifty. And let me go for based on our charting hammer and shooting star. Let me find out the stocks to find a hammer and shooting star. Yes, there is a shooting star where we can go for a selling opportunity, and we got a lot of stocks: ABFRL, Bajaj Finance, Mahindra, MGL, Polycab, and Syngene. Let me check it out one by one. ABFRL, ABFRL, it's a shooting star. It is happening at the highest level. With after the big uptrend, we find a shooting star, maybe the reversal at the top level. We can use this for a good signal of trend reversal at the highest level. The entry level should be 305.05, the lowest level, and the stop loss for the trade is around 314 should be the stop loss for the trade. Once it is broke down below around 305, so we can go for a sell. It looks good at the top of the level where it is forms, and yesterday it made high of 319, and which forms shooting star. It looks good, and previous candle should be a hanging man kind of candle, so there is a chances of reversal would be high possibilities on that stock. And let's go for a Bajaj Finance. Finance, it is not happening at the highest level. It is the middle of the trend after the two consecutive the big day, and the next 2 days were a very flat trade. We don't want to take on Bajaj Finance and MGL, Polycab, GL, MGL. It's not happening at the highest level, but even though it is a previous uptrend where it is going down and slightly recovered, and there is a chances of again it continues the trend would be possible. So we can go for this stock, which looks good, and we can entry around 3 and 868 and 892. Whatever stop loss 892 is the highest level for the day where we can keep as a stop loss. 892, and we can just 892 and 868 would be the sell level where we can focus this stock, find out a sell opportunity below 868, and we can keep the stop loss around 892 would be the best uh, trade entry point on MGL. And the next one should be Polycab and Syngene. We go for a Polycab. That is also good after the big uptrend, so forms a trend reversal shooting star at the top level with the best signal area, and 2446 is the sale entry, and 2543, 2466 and 2543. The entry point is 2466 and 2543 should be our stop loss for the day high, and this is what a sell entry point where we can focus for a selling opportunity on that particular stock. And the next one is Syngene. Let me go to check. That's not good. Let's look at this daily up and down, bigger ranges, almost 10-15 points in the daily range, but not happening at highest level, so leave it. So as per the shooting star with the number 3, ABFRL, Bajaj Finance, we don't want to Bajaj Finance. MGL we can go for, Polycab, Syngene we ignore. So these 3 stocks we can focus for tomorrow selling opportunity on the number 3 shooting star basis. And number 2, which I'm going to focus it for a lot of stocks, NTPC is the one. So let me go for NTPC. I seen NTPC looks good at the top, but it's not big move stock, but we can go for it around this is a shooting star where it is forms, and risk for the trade is 161, so it's a big risk on that stock. Let me ignore this stock. Let me go to the next one. LNTFH is a small value stock around LTTS. Let me go for a LTTS. We were not in the middle of the trend, so we may not go to focus it. And Polycab, Syngene, ABB is a big value, so remove it. So these 3 stocks you can focus as well. Only NMDC, NTPC, ABFRL, Bajaj, my MGL, and Polycab would be the best stocks for tomorrow's trade. Let me go for hammer kind of candle, if any hammer which is present. We go for hammer stocks, no, at number 3. And number 2, is there any stocks? No. So only few stocks we have selected for our tomorrow's trading, almost 4 stocks by the all are based on shooting star for a selling opportunity only. Meanwhile, you can focus for a bank nifty, also it forms a doji at the top, and a single candlesticks pattern also we are focusing it out. So let me go for a dashboard to find out each and every stock which I selected from this dashboard. I'm sending you in the morning on my Telegram, so you can focus that stock also. Candle reversal, yes. Let's look at these are the stocks which is forms a spinning top. Let's look at ABFRL and MGL which forms a top that we have selected these 2 stocks for tomorrow. And doji at top daily, Balram Shini, Amar Raja, HDFC Life. Let me go for a doji at top, Balram Shini. Good. After a big correction and started recover, maybe the chances started recovering from that level. So 355 and 366, we can go for a sell as well as buy. So both the chances are there in a Balram Shini. The second one is Amar Raja Batteries, Dalmia Bharat. Raja Batteries, not good. It's a middle of the trend. Dalmia Bharat, it's maybe a illiquid stock. Don't go for it. And HDFC Life. HDFC Life looks good at the top. It forms a doji, and the wick is rejected higher side from the top, so we can expect a downside sale. The sell entry is around 571 and 586 should be the stop for the trade. Only we can focus for a selling opportunity on that HDFC Life Insurance. So these are the stock selection which we are going to focus for tomorrow. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you liked it, share to your friends. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, Kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching this.